Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of GPS not working on Google Maps. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Google Maps and we click here in this window. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and think of your